Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Teaching and Learning Hub. Today I'm going to deliver lecture on modal verbs. That is an English grammar lesson. The modal verbs are might, could, may, can, should and must. First of all, I'll start with might. Use of might. We use might for possibilities. For example, where are my glasses? They might be in the cupboard. For suggestions, for example, we are going for a lunch. You might like to come with us. With the conditional sentences, if they work little harder, they might win the trophy. So we use might for possibilities, for suggestions with conditional sentences. The examples are you might miss the plane unless you leave now. If you propose, she might be ready. He might be at home. You might get there in time, but I can't be sure. The rumor which I heard, it might be true. Number second is may. The second modal verb is may, and the use of may is we use for the possibilities. I have not decided yet what to wear. I may wear formal dress. There is a possibility that she could wear formal dress on any party. Okay, for permission, if you want to take permission, you use may. For example, may I share your eraser? May I come in? May I take your shirt? For wish, for example, may Allah always bless you. May you get what you desire. May Allah shower lots of blessings on you. For request, may I have cold drink please? May I have tea? May I get this? Another is could. So when we use could for ask for the permissions. For example, could I borrow your book? Could I borrow your shoes? For request. Second, we use could for request. Could you repeat it for me? Could you do it again? Could you explain it to me? And we use could for suggestion. We could help them to resolve this issue. We could prevent poverty. We could help government to bring prosperity in society. Come to the next one. That is again the use of could. We have discussed three things. Now the rest of the three things are we use could for future possibility. I think the government could prevent poverty issue in the society. Future wish. I wish I could meet him. Ability in the past. He left his job so he could work with better company. Another modal verb is can, and when we use can for ability, for telling doubt, astonishment, permission, and polite request. For example, can you do me a favor? You can complete the task on time. Can you repeat it? He can't do this. Another modal verb is must, and when we use must when the speaker thinks it is necessary to tell the thing, or it is used for personal opinion. It is used to write rules or instructions. For example, you must fasten your seat belts. That is an example of rules or instruction. You must complete the assignment before Saturday means something that is related to the person or personal opinion that you must complete the assignment before Saturday, or you should not tease him. That is a necessary thing. Someone is saying to another person, you should not tease him. That is not a good thing. I hope you have understand the use of must. We will move forward, and the last one is should. Why we use should? We use should to suggest something. When we want to suggest something to someone, for when there is a necessity, when you want to give advice, when you want to blame someone, when you want to give recommendations, and when you are regretting, you use should. For or you express your opinions. For example, we should follow 3R. We should protect our environment from pollution. We should help poor people. Now, should is used to suggest something, to give advice to someone, to blame someone, or to give recommendation, or when you are regretting, or to express opinions. I hope everything is clear to you. There is a task for you. What you will do, please fill all the model words which we have described, and fill these sentences with the suitable model verbs. Then you will be able to know whether you have understood or not. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.